Welcome to Summit 2024. Today's successful companies are already great at their core, but they're finding new ways through technology to reach customers and drive efficiency. Everything we do will be done to solve real-world customer problems and in the same security and privacy model that we already use.
Acumatica takes seriously the responsibility of taking care of your data. You can trust us. We have your back.
Our Acumatica marketplace grew over 40% at a record pace. Our community grew over 30% with now over 22,000 members. So we've created Acumatica, a cloud-native architecture that is future-ready. It's so much more than just ERP. It's a platform that will take your business well into the future.
Acumatica has taken it to the next level.
This is just the start. We haven't even scratched the surface of what we're going to do yet.
Construction companies can rely on Acumatica to stay connected and be informed at all times. Manufacturers are seizing opportunities of growth and expanding to new markets. Distributors are meeting the challenges of competition, using technology to optimize their business and serve new types of clients. Commerce is such a big component for every industry, and we all should be thinking about our transformations.
It's truly amazing that together we can have this kind of impact, and we are only beginning. There's so much more for us to do.
I used to see other customers doing really well. It's motivating for me.
Every hour it passes by, you get a lot of value out of it.
I would sign up willingly every time. Just to have 3 days where I can actually focus on learning about Acumatica is huge.
The relationships, the energy, being able to preview and have hands-on breakout sessions is just something that you really can't get from a video or from a phone call. The in-live personal experience is just fantastic.
It's like the difference between the book knowledge and getting into the field.
You'll make those connections with people and get answers to questions that maybe you hadn't even thought of yet.
I think I'm ready to continue networking and hit the dance floor.
This is an opportunity for our ecosystem to come together, to network, connect, and have a good time.
It's really a boost of energy. And this boost will continue until the next year.
Let's build the future of business together. Thank you.
Building the future of business.
Together.
Together.
Together. Building the future together.
I screwed it up. This is our opportunity to build the future of business together.